have the All I Ever Wanted palette here. So today I want to have a look that's very simple, but really, really high impact with the glitter and shimmer and shift. So let's get into it. Doesn't Lynn say that? Mimsimum. That's actually how I say it. Mimsimum. Minimum effort, maximum slay. Mimsimum. Anyway, I'm going in with a wild combo today, so buckle up, besties. This towel is disgusting. So dark in here. Too dark. Hold on. There we go. That's a little better. Alrighty. I'm gonna start off with some Mob cream clays. These are some of my favorite things to use in general, but I like to prime my eyes with this. However, I'm gonna use it as like the starting canvas. I'm gonna go in with 105, which is a Jessica Hayes shade. I know you're shocked. I know. Have I ever used those shades before? It's literally every single day. Jessica? I'm gonna start with 105. That was too much, so I'm just gonna simply spread it around. I get so excited when I use cream clays that I end up going in so heavy-handed. You really don't need a lot. Whoa! I'm already excited because I do want this look to be a little dramatic. Bear with me. I do also really like to change the shape of how I'm using cream clays, like with Q-tips. It's really easy to just like with them, you know what I mean? I know you understand that sound effect. You get it. Here's where I want you to hold on. I'm going to take my teal M151 and I'm going to put it on the lid. I'm not concerned with the layout of anything right now. Just going to go in. Oh my God. M105 and M151 together. I've been waiting for this day. Gotta being a little messy with it. Getting the shape, the rough shape of what I want it to be. My God. Oh, bring it up just a tiny touch. You can see a lot of the blue like when my eyes are open and relaxed because my skin moves and folds, and I like to bring my eyeshadow up really, really high. I also feel like sometimes when I just put eyeshadow on my lid, I'm like, it just doesn't seem like enough. Like I need more. I see that in there and I'm just gonna fix it. Cream clays are so fun to me because I feel like they're just so easy, but they very much give me the I'm painting on my face feeling that I love about makeup. I think about makeup 24/7. I think about how much I love makeup. I think about why I use makeup. I think about what shades I want to see with makeup, like constantly. But one of the things I always go back to is it's just so fun to literally paint on my face. You literally would not think that these colors would blend so well together, but they do. And they're clays. They're cream clays. Oh, I just love them. I will never be over these ever. Ooh. So easy. Yeah. All right, taking the same shades on the lower lash, I'm going to take M105, run it all the way across. Again, I think I used a little too much, but it's fine. I am going to set these because I feel like the sheer volume that I used was a bit much. I get too excited, but it still looks good. That's the thing. Like, I feel like I just cannot screw these up. Even when they look like really messy, I feel like I'm like, oh my God, it's so grungy, it's so vibey. And just, I don't know, there's something magical about these. I'm so obsessed. Okay, we'll never shut up about these. I was about to be like, all right, I'll shut up. No, I won't. It's gonna take M151 right in the corner though. I like to go back in and just kind of blend the edges because I will kind of blend my blush into these, but I don't want the very edge to be like really intense. I feel like that also makes it look a little more elevated than if I were to just kind of slap it on. Like sometimes just slapping out the edge of my eyeshadow is all I need for it to be just a little bit more neat. Just gives it a little bit more of like kind of a finished look instead of I was rushing and simply had to leave kind of vibe. I don't know. There's just something about literally just blending out the very edges where I'm like, okay, now complete. All right, loving how this looks right now. I'm going to set ever so slightly with some translucent powder. I'm not gonna go in too heavy because I don't really need to with these, but I do like to set my cream clays specifically when I put them all over my eye. If I'm putting it somewhere that it doesn't like fold and move too much, I won't, but I do like to set my cream clays. Also because it's the summer, dude, it's hot, I'm kind of sweaty. And I feel like if you're worried about payoff, like if you're worried about powder taking down payoff, be careful what powder you set with if you are setting your cream clays. But look, wonderful. Woo! Looking very Miami Dolphins, honestly. Moving on to this before I put on any liner. So excited about this. Woo! So I bought this. Did I use my own code? Yes, I did. It's Courtney, and you can use it too with Unearthly Cosmetics. That sounds like an ad. It's not. So very excited about this. There is a bit of a warning on here, and I do want to say I'm pretty sure it's because of staining, not intended for the immediate eye area. When they say immediate, I'm always kind of curious about that. I'm assuming not in your waterline. That feels immediate to me. I am going to put some of these shades like on my lid and on my brow bone, inner corner, lower lash line, but I did want to point that out. So these are shimmers. Very excited about that. All I Ever Wanted color palette. Ooh, this was not cheap, and Oh, it's so pretty. This packaging is really cool. Oh, it's heavy. Very heavy. Look at that. That is really cool. Oh, wow. 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 Look at this. Dude, those are crazy. Wow, wow, wow. It does have a mirror in the palette, which is really cool. I think I'm gonna take Witch's Brew. I really actually maybe need to use Blood Moon and Witch's Brew. I'm gonna take Blood Moon first because it's the red. That feels incredible. Oh, woo! Wow. Witch's Brew, very silky soft, almost has like a wet. It skipped because of my bone, but ooh, okay. Okay. I want to see Grave also. What is this texture? What is this? Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that so much. I've really been looking for like really intense copper and like bronzy shades, and this feels kind of like, whoa, dude, dude, dude. Okay, okay. I'm gonna take a little bit of Blood Moon because I honestly, how could I not? A little bit of it, and I'm just gonna tap ever so lightly, just like on the center of the lid. All right. I'm gonna try to like blend out the edges a little bit with a flat brush. Okay, I'm gonna take Witches. Actually, well, I'm gonna take a little bit of Grave. I don't know actually what I'm doing. I'm just gonna take a little bit of Grave and put it like on the edge right here and on the, I don't know. Ooh, on either side? It's like the tiniest bit. Now, I think what I'm curious about is taking Starlight and just literally putting on top of everything. Starlight looks like the yellow, it's the yellow, oh. Okay. I'm tapping, I'm not even like swiping. And look at that. Dude, that looks cool. Okay, okay. Oh, ooh, oh, okay, it's catching the light over there. Casual makeup look. Wow, okay, okay. Now here's the deal. That's kind of what I was envisioning. Excuse me, even though I had no idea what I was doing. Kind of just like blend these together now, kind of just like run it over and see. Just kind of seamlessly blend. Wow, okay. I honestly feel like I'm gonna be wearing this palette over Cream Clays so much. I'm gonna take Witch's Brew on a brush and just kind of a little bit underneath, not directly. I don't know, that's kind of close to the waterline, but kind of right in here. A little bit. Wow. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of Starlight as well and just kind of put it. Starlight, whoa. Wow. Dainty. Well, to no one's surprise, I do love this. I feel like combining the cream clays and those shimmers is too simple. Like, oh my gosh, it's so nice. I feel like getting the dimension with using multiple also is really cool. I don't really have too much to say other than the fact that I can't wait to use the other shades. I do need to shave my brows. I love this. I love this so much. This to me is also something very useful because I have a lot of matte shades, or if I just want like a kind of like an addition to my matte shades and I just need like a bunch of shimmers. I don't know. I feel like there's less shimmers in some of the palettes that I've gotten recently, which there's nothing wrong with that. I have really, really, really good quality mattes, but sometimes I just want like shimmers. Like I feel like I even have like to take my cream clays or even like my all mattes in here and then just add that in. Like it feels very cohesive or something. I don't know. I feel like it looks so stunning. I will let you know how the wear goes, obviously, because these are my first impressions. I know I love the cream clays. I know I love how shimmers typically look on top of them, so I feel like I'm not really gonna be surprised here. But yeah, I love this look and I kind of knew that I would. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, the dimension.